Affordable comfort at Premier Classe St. Brieuc Tregueux Hotel. Welcome to Premier Classe St. Brieuc Tregueux Hotel, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the charming town of Langueux, France. Offering affordable comfort and convenience, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. With a total of 72 well-appointed rooms, Premier Classe St. Brieuc Tregueux Hotel provides a comfortable and cozy stay for its guests. Each room is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, featuring modern amenities to ensure a pleasant and hassle-free experience. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, you will find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. At Premier Classe St. Brieuc Tregueux Hotel, we understand the importance of a smooth check-in and check-out process. Guests can check in from 2 p.m. onwards, allowing you to settle in and start enjoying your stay as soon as possible. Checkout is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to relax and prepare for your departure. Our friendly and attentive staff are always on hand to assist you with any queries or requests you may have during your stay. Families with children will find Premier Classe St. Brieuc Tregueux Hotel to be a welcoming and family-friendly accommodation option. Children between the ages of 0 to 9 can stay free of charge, making it an affordable choice for families traveling on a budget. We strive to create a comfortable and enjoyable environment for guests of all ages, ensuring a memorable stay for the whole family.